that if you see me eating burger, just know it's my husband. Today's church was good. It's backless hair and look fabulous.
I woke up with the worst allergy ever.
Hi guys. Well, I'm not a big earring girl. Yeah, my friend is saying this is weird talking to the camera. She does not know that this is our job. We talk to the camera for a living, period.
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah, nah. Ooh girl,
My hair looks so terrible. Hi guys, this is what I look like, to be honest. Like the last time I vlogged, I complained about my lashes, and you guys, I have been praying and begging for these lashes to fall off, but they don't want to come off. So I don't know, I hope they come off this week because I've had enough. If you don't know what I'm talking about, catch up with my previous vlog where I almost got blind getting my lashes done. Okay, so yeah, today we are going bowling and I want to take this hair out. As you can see, this is the state of my hair, which is a mess. We're gonna get this out of the way. I want to wear my natural hair out. I really cannot remember when last I was on my natural hair, and sometimes I forget that I have a good natural hair. So it's currently like 5 p.m. so I'm just applying this so I can easily, you know, take out my hair. How has my week been? Today is Friday, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned, but my week has just been there, to be honest. Like, this month is almost over. Today is 31st of May. I forgot to mention as well, which means May is over, and tomorrow is a new month. We're entering the month of June, and you guys, my birthday is 1 month away because my birthday is in July. And so yeah, going forward on this channel, I want to try new videos, but I'm scared. Like, you guys, I am so scared that you guys might not watch it, because every time I put up a poll, everybody's always like,
Sophie's vlog, Sophie's vlog, Sophie's vlog, Sophie's vlog.
I'll figure something out. I'll definitely figure something out. So yeah, I think I want to jam up some music while I lose this hair. So first song on my list is this one. We're halfway done. Guess who's on the call?
Hi. Who am I talking to? Oh, hi. I feel like I'm not waiting for us to be rich.
I am done with my hair, so I want to pack it now. And I'm going to be doing the shoelace method. Because you guys, I forget that I have this type of hair. This is all natural. All natural. Remember when I dialed it?
Yes, sir. This is I shouted.
Mind you, I washed my hair yesterday while it was in cornrows because I knew I wanted it to come out like this. Because if I start washing it now, it's going to shrink. And I know you're wondering, how can your natural hair be this soft? I'm one of God's favorites that has natural soft hair. So I'm using this Cantu shea butter styling gel. I'm not going to be doing too much because my hair is soft and I don't need too much so it can pack. Actually, for my hair type, I'm putting a small amount, not a generous amount, just so that there's a little bit of hold. I'm also going to be using this, okay, a very, very small amount. It's currently 6:48. We are late. But today is Friday, so everybody's going to be outside and I don't like it. Yeah, my friend is saying this is weird, talking to the camera. She doesn't know that this is our job. We talk to the camera for a living, period. Next thing, you use your afro brush. You look for abandoned shoelace. Adjust it. And this is my hair, you guys. It is looking too dry, but my hair is not looking too dry because I washed it. You just spray a little bit of water and voila. Anyways, I've not had my hair out in a long time, so I sort of feel like a child. I look younger. I look 10 years younger. That's one reason why I don't wear my hair out. But yeah. Hi guys, we are getting our makeup done now. I will have to put Ola on the call because she's also learning. Anyway, so yeah, this is my hair. How can I be teaching two students at the same time? Make una can't help me. So yeah, I hope you guys can hear me because it's just a lot of noise. I'm teaching Ola on this hand and there's no light, so I'm using my fan because I don't want my inverter to die. Oh yeah, pack your makeup tools and come and start learning. Don't stress your teacher out. I have only 1 hour to leave this place. What's the time now? I use Cos. This is the moisturizer I use. This one. Get into your skin. So I'm still moisturizing because I use 2 moisturizers. So these are not even serious. They are not even serious, Ola. So I'm putting my primer. I'm moving to foundation. We do brows last, my love. Yes, do foundation because me I'm using another technique. I'm doing concealer under my eye. Do you have a concealer that is close to your skin tone? Okay, you can use that under your eye like the way I'm doing it. Yes, keep going. Bring it down to where? Yes, bring it down here. Hala, where are you now? Next step, foundation. Yes, use that brush. This one now, this setting brush. Okay, so now carry your foundation.
Good evening, Sophie. It's 7:47 p.m.
What are you using to apply the blush? So tap it into that place. Okay. Blush line, forehead, on my chin. Okay, so well, I'm not a big earring girl. So guys, I am done and this is what I look like. I look amazing. Anyways, let me show you guys what I'm putting on. So I'm putting on this black top, okay, and this fella pants. You guys know I haven't worn this in a long time, and my D&G bag. Okay, so this top is backless and I love it. Can you guys see? I love it so much. So yeah, That's what I'm putting on. Currently heading out now. It's 9:06. It's late, I know, so we're going. Do you want to say hi? You don't want to say hi? Say hi, Jenny. Hi. So me and Jenny, we're going now. Wish us luck. Because we are late, but yeah, that's what it is. Bye. Bye. Hi guys, we are here. I look fabulous. But we're at the dome. It's currently 9:59, which is 10 p.m. I don't know how long we'll be here. I don't know. We'll just be here and then we'll go home. Okay, so yeah, let's go inside. Daddy, oh yeah, carry on.
Take it all up, yeah. Let me go insane. Making me see. I want you to I like that melanin. You got that melanin.
So we are going to top. Hi guys, so we are back home. It's currently 1:37 a.m. in the morning. I'm not even joking. It's not. It's 12:37 a.m. I just got back home. That's going to be the end of today. Okay, I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. What am I doing tomorrow? I don't know yet. But yeah, I had fun today. We did bowling and I won, of course. Tell me, it's because I went with Jennifer. Jennifer doesn't really know how to bowl, so that's why I won. Let me be honest. But yeah, after that we met up with my husband and his friends where they are chilling. Guys are always chilling. So yeah, but I'm back home now because I'm tired. I need to edit. I need to sleep. Tomorrow is the weekend. You guys, I'm in love with this top. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow in the morning. Bye. Good morning. Good morning, guys. You guys, I woke up with the worst allergy ever. It's currently 8:28 a.m. Okay, I've been up for a while. I've been up for like I think an hour or 2 hours or so. Today is Saturday. I don't know if I mentioned, but I sort of have like an allergy that comes and goes. Okay, so it's almost like a little trait from asthma because my mom is asthmatic. I am not asthmatic, but I have a trace of allergy, so it comes and it goes, and mine is triggered by cold. So that's why I have like a fan in my room, because I cannot use the AC every single time. Okay, if I do use it every single time, I'm going to end up with worse and terrible allergies. Anyways, today what we have planned, I don't know what we have planned, to be honest. I'm just going to see how the day goes, but I know I need to prepare stew today because tomorrow is Sunday and every family eats rice and stew on Sunday. Currently it's just me and my husband, so I don't need to do too much. Okay, so he's still in bed. But yeah, I want to wear my hair out. I want to wear my hair out. I want to wear my hair out. This is the hair now. I'm just lucky that my natural hair does not move. So most of the times when I put it in a particular hairdo, it just stays. So this is somebody that's gone to bed and has woken up. I doesn't look bad. I just put this on the puff, okay, so that it doesn't just like get very dry. That's it. I need to go to the kitchen. I need to do some dishes first, okay? So yeah, I'm just waking up. After I spoke to you guys in the morning, I went back to bed. I was knackered. It's currently 12:34. I just want to prepare something for my husband to eat. I also want to take vitamin C.
lights shining from the window late at night. I'm just watching someone else's life go by, wishing it was mine. Dreams, everybody has them at the start. Somewhere along the way they fall apart, and it makes it kind of hard to look up at the light. When the lights go out, everything is clear.
We're gonna have dinner there and then probably go to somewhere called Abuja. Okay, it's like a lounge type of vibe. Okay, yeah, that's what we're doing today. Guys, we are done with church. Oh, we had to leave early because there's a hold up, and even now there's no way to pass it, block the road. Today's church was good. It was good. Look at my skin. Oh my god, I'm glowing seriously. Please, who is this man here? How do we pass now? I can't pass here. We're heading home now. I'm definitely going to see you guys when I get home. Bye guys. Back home. Okay, so yeah, I need to go and make Sunday rice, you guys. I'm going to see you guys later today. I'm not going to be vlogging that part because it's about to be hectic. I'm about to do the quickest Sunday rice ever. That's stew and rice, in case you don't understand what I'm talking about. But yeah, see you guys. Good morning guys. Today is Tuesday. The whole of yesterday, to be honest, I was struggling to put out my vlog. So there's a new vlog up on the channel. Go and check it, please. Today is Tuesday. Today is market day, so I'm not going to be doing anything too much other than going to the market, buying food stuff. I can't even wait to go because prices are going to be insane today. But yeah, we have to restock. It's currently 11:37. I woke up late today, I'm not going to lie. These lashes, I still refuse to fall out. I have like 2 strands left. I can't wait for it to come out so that I can have peace of mind. You get? My natural hair is starting to scream help. I just washed it and loosed it. I didn't treat it. I didn't do anything. So I'll try and see if I'll be able to treat it before getting it done. Okay. So I'm just currently using my toner, micellar water. That's what I use. See you guys.
Then you try out my attention like just thinking how you made me go on and on and on and on, yeah. 낮이 되면 잠깐 come on outside, tell me when you want it. Baby, you don't need to know my whereabouts. I don't get too lonely, yeah.
So guys, we stopped at G Burger and we got burger and this with chocolate milkshake. And if you see me eating burger, just know it's my husband because I would normally not carry myself to go and buy burger. But yeah, we had G Burger today. I got the, what did I get? House cheeseburger. And today I'm the passenger princess, so I don't have to drive. Okay, so yeah.
I love it when we do it like that. You know that I'm right.